Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel and to part 2 of our 2021 Toyota RAV4 rebuild. This car I bought from the auction wrecked. It had front end damage. We picked it up, repaired everything, and now it's finally ready to paint. So in this episode, we're gonna paint it, assemble it, and review the project all put together, detailed, and ready to go. If you guys missed part 1 of the video, I'm gonna post the link in the description. Be sure to check it out so you can catch up on what we did to the car. Other than that, we're ready to paint this car. I got everything prepped. We just gotta clean it up, pull it in the booth, mask it up, and we'll be ready to spray. Let's go. Finally got our RAV4 in the spray booth, prepped, messed up, ready to go. We're gonna spray our obviously repaired door that we did, our new fender, new hood. We have a new fender on this side, but I sprayed it completely inside out because we're not gonna blend the driver's side door. And of course, we got our brand new bumper, which I already applied my sealer. So I usually apply my sealer if I'm just doing the bumper. That way, while it's drying, I can mask up the car and save some time instead of waiting for it to dry. So we're gonna do our normal 2 coats and a control coat. Since it is a metallic, even though it's black, I do a control coat on all metallics because it still shows up in the sunlight if you don't have a proper orientation of the final coat. So very important, don't forget. Very straightforward, very easy. New panels, repaired door, and a new bumper. Very important on the bumper, before you seal it, I always degrease it. Use a wax and grease remover. I wiped it twice because these plastic new parts come with like, they're almost like greasy like. So you have to degrease it very good because that's what's not gonna allow your paint to stick. Then you apply your sealer and then you can go ham with the base coat because base coat loves sealer and they are best friends and they get along very well. So I can apply 2 heavy coats and then do my control coat as well, and we should be good. So I'm gonna get suited up. I always spray in my paint suit and then I'm gonna mix up some paint and we'll be ready to go. Alright, we did our 2 coats plus our control coat and we got good coverage, looking good, nice and smooth, nice and uniform, how I like it. We're ready to clear coat. Let's do our 2 coats of clear and then we'll be ready to go. Time for assembly. By the way, for my base coat, I use the 3M, the plastic spray gun that they have with the 1.3 tip. Sprays pretty good and it has the plastic tips that you can just switch out whenever it gets dirty. So yeah, very convenient. This is what the tips look like. So it comes in a bag with 5 tips and they're 1.3 size, so pretty cool. And for my clear coat, I'll be using my good old Iwata W400 spraying at like 28 psi. I got my clear coat mixed up. All right, we got our Toyota RAV4 unmasked, ready to go. I'm gonna quickly put the door together, put the belt molding, the mirror, and the door handle. Okay, I just assembled my front bumper. So everything's pretty much new except the emblem and the upper grille. This piece, lower diffuser, is new fog light covers. And of course the new bumper cover. So we're ready to throw it on. I already put the door together in the spray booth before I pulled it out. Everything was repaired, everything's looking good, and you can't even tell it was damaged. So this is what a factory-like repair should be like. All the components changed, everything repaired, replaced, and looking good. Let's throw the bumper on and see what we look like. We got the old windshield out. Our new windshield is installed, crack free, and looking beautiful. All that's left now is do a full inside and outside detail and make this car look brand new. Let's go. That is it. Our RAV4 is finally finished, detailed, and ready to go. Looks amazing. Very happy with the paint job, with the repairs, how everything turned out. Looks just like a brand new car. Also, let me know if you guys want to see the price reveal on the car, how much I bought it for, how much I paid for parts and labor, and then how much I ended up selling it for. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, I post a new video each week, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. That is going to be it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one.